So, we just cleaned the client's 150,000 contact list. The results were honestly mind-blowing. Let's dig in.
You know, a lot of campaigns have these hidden problems that just kill results. Let's look at the before.
This campaign was in rough shape. A high bounce rate, Gmail blocks, and a sender score of only 63.
So, what's really going on here? It's a problem most marketers completely overlook.
Get this, on average, your email list degrades by this much every single year.
All those outdated contacts just pile up, creating a huge risk for your sender reputation.
And it's no joke. One bad send can get you flagged by Gmail, potentially forever.
Okay, so what happened after they actually cleaned the list? Well, the turnaround was incredible.
The bounce rate basically vanished, and that sender score, it soared all the way to a 97.
And here's the crucial part. Emails finally started landing in the inbox again.
This is the kind of Gmail-specific accuracy they were able to get. It's just amazing.
But, it wasn't just about the tech specs. Let's talk about the money.
So, they switched from a pricey subscription to just a simple one-time payment.
And when you look at the long-term difference here, wow, it's pretty staggering. Their team ran the numbers. Over 10 years, they calculated they'd save over $37,000.
So you get unlimited use, no monthly fees, and that killer Gmail accuracy. It's a game changer.
So really think about it. What could that kind of deliverability do for your campaigns?
You can actually test this out for yourself. Go try 50 verifications for free and see the difference.